Hello freelancers! Welcome back to the Faizan Naeem YouTube channel. Today, we will explore the art of creating the perfect gig on Fiverr. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tips will help your gig stand out and attract those coveted clients. Let's begin. Opening first and foremost, let's focus on your gig title. This is your headline, the first impression you make. Make it clear, concise, and, most importantly, relevant to your offered services. Consider what potential clients might search for. Introduction and overview. In the gig description, introduce yourself and provide a brief overview of the services you are offering. Clearly explain the problem you solve for your clients. Be concise and persuasive to capture their attention. Showcasing your skills. Now, let us delve into showcasing your skills. This is where you truly sell yourself. Highlight your expertise, experience, and what sets you apart. If you have a portfolio, include a link. Visuals speak volumes. Clearly define your services. Be absolutely clear about what clients will receive. Break down your services into packages. Transparency builds trust. Use keywords. Optimize your gig for search by incorporating relevant keywords. Consider the terms clients might utilize to find services similar to yours. This will enhance the visibility of your gig in Fiverr's search results. Set realistic prices. When it comes to pricing, maintain competitiveness while staying realistic. Ponder the value you provide.